Over a decade after what was once India's second largest airline started facing financial troubles, the Supreme Court has finally put an end to the Jet Airways Insolvency Saga and ordered that the airline's assets will be liquidated to pay back creditors. The CJI Chandrachud-led bench invoked extraordinary powers under Article 142 to set aside the NCLT's earlier decision upholding the resolution plan. The court said that they had no choice but to send the airline into liquidation. Article 142 allows the court to make orders for complete justice in any pending matter. In a big ruling, the top court stated that Jet Airways' resolution plan is no longer capable of implementation. This basically means that the airline's assets will be sold off to repay its debts and distribute the remaining assets to its creditors and shareholders. This brings to an end the long-winding insolvency case for Jet Airways. It's over for good. But there are some key things that we must know about this case. First, who dragged Jet to court? It was the creditors and lenders led by the State Bank of India. In April 2019, Jet Airways went bankrupt. Their debt exceeded 7,500 crore rupees. They ceased operations and their planes were grounded. Soon, lenders like SBI took the airline to the National Company Law Tribunal for insolvency proceedings, hoping they could recover their dues through a revival. This attracted investors like the consortium of Karl Rock Capital and Murari Lal Jain. They proposed a revival plan which the NCLT agreed to in 2021. However, this plan never succeeded. There were disagreements over many things, payment schedules with lenders and former employees, and the consortium kept delaying fulfilling their financial commitments. By 2023, Jet's revival hopes began to fade. However, in March 2024, the NCLT upheld the consortium's control over the airline, a move which has now been criticized by the top court. So then lenders including SBI and PNB sought alternate measures, and now here we are. In fact, the prolonged delays in reviving the airline resulted in 22 crore rupees in monthly losses since the airline had to maintain its assets throughout. This ruling follows the failure of another airline, Go First, which is also filed for liquidation. This gives rise to doubts about whether airlines in India can actually be revived under the current IBC framework. Now the question is, what happens to the money of retail shareholders who had invested in Jet Airways? As on September 30th, retail shareholders have a 19.29% stake in the grounded airline. They have holdings worth 74.6 crore rupees. While the airline has been grounded since 2019, retail investors have continued to trade in the stock, betting on a revival. Other major shareholders are Punjab National Bank, which holds 26%, Etihad Airways, which holds 24%, and the erstwhile promoters, who hold 25%. With the court now ordering liquidation, retail shareholders will likely face losses. Equity shareholders are usually the last in line to receive any funds. In most liquidation cases, there's often nothing left for equity shareholders, leading to a total loss of their investment. So that is what the entire story looks like so far. Hope you found this video useful. For more such content, keep watching Mint.